Hey guys, we've got a product unboxing today that I'm really excited about. I've been using this company's products for about 15 years and they've never disappointed me. Absolutely top notch, and we're going to do a quick review on it too. So I ordered a Silky Pocketboy 170mm saw. I'm a big fan of Silky saws. They're top notch. And I can't wait to get this one out and show it to you. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. But here in just a second, we're going to open this thing up and see how it cuts. My first Silky was a handsaw that I bought in 2006 or 7, I want to say. And I've still got it. It works great. It's not razor sharp anymore, but I used it commercially for a long time. But I was super happy with it. I've got a Silky pole saw that if I was starting a tree service right now, it'd be the first thing I'd buy is a manually powered saw versus a chainsaw. They're just top-notch products. So here we go. We ordered the Silky Pocketboy folding saw. I got this off of Amazon. Showed up in 2 days. $39, hard to beat. I think at that price is quite a bargain. We've got the medium teeth. I think they came in medium and large. I wanted a little bit finer cut. We got a straight cut blade so that we can do some fieldcraft joinery. We'll get to that later on. But we're gonna go ahead and try and open this up. Got a sticker on the front with it. Oh, that's nice. Part of it's not stuck, so you can actually peel it off of there. And it comes with a clear carry case, apparently. Quite light, trim. I'm sure razor sharp. These have 2 locking positions, I guess. Apparently there and there. Oh, I see what we've got there. It's a little bit of clearance if you want to get down to make a close to the surface cut. These teeth are just wicked. Anytime I hand one of these to somebody who's not familiar with, I tell them, be careful, it's sharp, and they usually end up cutting themselves. You just got to bump them, and it will lay you open in 5 or 6 spots. Very smooth, nice and tight, well made, attention to details there. I've never had an issue with one of their products. They just do what they're supposed to do. So let's go ahead and try this out on something. I'll see what's behind me here, but we're at the edge of the field and we've got some scrub timber growing. So we'll see if we can't trim something up and how this new Silky Pocketboy performs for us. All right. Oh, and we'll just nip this up a little bit to try and clear it up. It's hanging over the cut area. That went well. Well, there it came out and didn't stay locked. That might have been me not getting it right. I'm not sure. Really superb cutting, and I'll try and demonstrate that for you guys here. But that's 1.5 to 2 inch thick branch, and keep in mind I'm supporting it myself. It's not rigid attached to anything. I don't want to nick myself because these will go right through, but she's cut just like that. Hard to beat. Great saw. I'm sure I'll be very happy with it. They make this in 2 different sizes. I got one that's about the larger size. It's about 1.5 to 2 inches longer. I know that I've been very, very happy with all my Silky products through the years, and I don't expect this one to be any different. There are differences. Curved blades cut a little faster. Straight blades can be used for some different stuff. Fine tooth cuts are available. Coarse tooth cuts are available. You need to do a little research and figure out exactly what you need. I'll try and show you some other saws here in a little bit, but for now I can heartily recommend the Silky Pocketboy. I think when I had it come loose earlier, I had just tapped it. It will take a little bit to get used to the grip, stay on the rubber and off of the steel, but I'm sure that this is going to be a very handy saw that I get several seasons out of. Hopefully I can keep from losing it. But at under $45 delivered with tax, that's hard to beat. I'm a made in the USA guy, and I go made in the USA every time I can. Silky saws are from Japan, but they're the best in the world, without question. Well, thanks guys. Feel free to leave comments below. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know your experience with either Silky saws or other hand saws that you've been happy or displeased with in the comments below. Thanks a lot. Bye now.